All right, we're back. We got another wonderful story here on the pound versus the New Zealand. What a violent move we had here in the last couple of days. And to be honest, I mean, I did have a pretty successful bullish campaign, the previous one. It actually made it halfway through, kind of, and began a strong downside correction. And I did leave one portion in that was actually stopped out 2 days ago. So, you know, with taking the loss on the last portion kind of offset my my success on that bullish position. So I ended up having a far less, a smaller profit than what is expected. Having said that, I knew that it was a trap. I felt it, I sensed that it's gonna be a trap. I knew that this break, seemingly breaking below that key level 188.99, right? Let's call it 189. I kind of sense that price is not gonna have the stamina to keep and break through. So it did that on the daily perspective, right? And then I saw price just bounce back, right? It started to build up that strong positive momentum. And by the time it kind of got very close back to that key level that it seemingly broke the day before, you can see that I pulled the trigger and I got right back in, right? And I actually looked at what I did was I kind of examined the weekly chart, and I saw that that spike here was starting to form, and I had a strong feeling that this level is gonna hold. Right, so now you see how it looks like. It looks like price was coming right back to this key level just to retest it from above, and it found it to be a reliable support, hopefully. I mean, it's still early stages to determine with great confidence, but it does look pretty good, right? Having found such a strong support here, 88.99 here. And I also want to show you the monthly perspective, which I find to be fascinating. And I'm referring to that same key level. Take a closer look. Take a look. This is really incredible stuff. 2 months ago, right, at the same bar, the same month, that was December 2018, price had touched base on the bottom key level with that lovely spike here and went straight to close above our main point of reference. So it closed in, right? Later on, the next month, the following month, January, had started strongly on the downside, but you can see how it ended, right? Price went all the way back and closed right back inside again. And this month, right, the second kind of attempt to break that key level from above also seems to be failing, and we're still just at the beginning of the month, relatively speaking. So this month could actually end. By the end of the month, we may actually be right here in the higher section, which is why I'm aiming at the mid-high key level as my main, my main price target, 95.44. Let's take it back again to the daily chart. You can see my stop loss level right below that overshooting that we saw here a couple of days ago, 87.30. As price continues to build this lovely positive momentum, I will begin to adjust the stop loss accordingly. I actually increased the position today, and I plan to do the same as long as price will remain on the upside. Alright, so we still have about, I would say, roughly 450 pip. So that should be enough to have a successful and profitable position here. So we'll see how that goes. In the meantime, guys, I'll say goodbye. Have a great trading day, and we'll follow up tomorrow.